Welcome to our instructional video on the Mindray GS3 Insufflator. In this video, we will guide you through the setup and operation of this device to ensure its safe and effective use. Let's get started. To set it up, if you're using a gas bottle, ensure it is tightly connected to the pin index valve. Once it is connected, the gas bottle can be opened. Plug the kettle lead in at the back of the machine. Attach the filter to the carbon dioxide outlet on the front panel. Now you can turn it on by pressing the button. The insufflator control screen is touchscreen. The big numbers in the middle will tell you the actual pressure within the cavity and the actual flow of carbon dioxide into the cavity at the present moment. To the left, you can adjust the carbon dioxide target setting, and to the right, the maximum flow setting using the up and down arrows. If you prefer, the preset function can be used by pressing the menu on the lower left-hand side of the screen. Here you have low, medium, high, and custom. At the top of the screen, the total flow displays the amount of carbon dioxide used in litres. This can be reset between patients. On the upper right-hand side, there is a gas source indicator which displays the source gas has been taken from. This might be piped or bottled, along with the pressure that source is providing through a traffic light colour system. Any error messages will be displayed here, underneath the actual pressure and actual flow display. To access more settings or to set up your customised preset, enter the Settings menu. Under Utility, the machine's display language, gas source, machine venting, and automatic lock screen can be changed. Custom is where you can set up your preferred pressure and flow settings for easy access from the menu on the home screen. The machine's date and time can be altered under the Date and Time tab. Maintenance is reserved for professional servicing and maintenance. The About tab will provide you with information about the machine, including the current software version it's running. Press the back arrow to return to the home screen. Once you're happy with your settings, the sterile insufflator tubing can be attached to the filter. Press Start to initiate the flow of carbon dioxide output. If you have any questions about your insufflator, please don't hesitate to contact your local Vesco account manager.